Here it is.
Really nice.
Man, we've been waiting a long time for this. It's clean.
It is clean.
No funny smells. Is it? This is the one that doesn't work, right?
Yeah.
That was really cool that he told us about that, by the way.
Yeah, he was very open about that.
So, Angela, quickly, tell me, is he happy?
Oh, he's very happy. He sent me a gift card, thanked me. He said, I can't wait for the next one, and it was a great experience, so yeah.
Boom. Great experience. She gets a gift card out of it. Happy client. TikTok has had a lot to say about why would somebody trade a Sienna for a Mercedes-Benz. Did he tell you why he was doing it?
He's just like, my kids are grown. I wanted something nice,
Whoa.
and I work hard, so he got something nicer for himself.
There you go. That is exactly what we hear a lot of the time, where people will say, hey, family's out of the, or the kids are out of the house, been working hard my whole life, I want to do something nice. I get it, right? Nothing's quite like a Toyota as far as reliability is concerned. This was probably a great family car. Dude, check this thing out. This is clean. This is really clean.
It is clean.
I think we might.
Rear entertainment and everything.
It
and,
does.
Navigation.
I think we got to get that door fixed and keep this thing. I really do. And it's got 2 keys.
Yeah.
Gee, what do you think, brother?
I like it. We should keep it.
Pearl white. I don't know, man. I'm pretty pumped about this car.
Yeah.
I thought for sure we weren't going to keep it. Now I'm not so sure.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Oh, we should definitely.
Got a little scuffing down here, nothing crazy. Tires are very solid. Tires are like brand new. Okay, all right. Well, the day has finally come. The Sienna is finally here. Klein is happy. Gave Angela a gift card, which is amazing, and says, I'll see you on the next one, which means it sounds like he is now a Mercedes-Benz for life kind of guy.
He was very happy. He said the experience was super easy.
Yeah.
We drove it to PA, and yeah, he was pleasantly surprised on how easy everything was.
Was he happy that we drove it to him?
Oh, very, very. He's like, I didn't expect that, and I think that was a great thing for you guys to do.
That's the kind of stuff we do, right? We go above and beyond, delivered it to him, brought his trade back. He didn't have to come to the dealership, right? If you don't want to come see us at the dealer, no problem, right? We'll come to you. Anyway, we're going to have to get this through the shop, I think,
so,
and
yeah.
see if we can keep it.
All right.
So we'll let you know, Internet, if we're keeping this Sienna. I know a lot of people asked about it, so all right, on to the next one. Here it is, proof of the gift card and even a thank you note. Angela, thank you for a remarkable experience. Appreciate all your hard work with this transfer. Looking forward to my first Mercedes-Benz vehicle. Can't wait, Tony. It's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, give me a follow for more content like this. My name is Doug, Benzes and Bow Ties. I appreciate your support.